Look at this cutie. Pretty. Hello, hello. Well, we spent a little time up here yesterday cleaning up. Got some things a little more organized so it don't look so junky up here. Made a little temporary fire pit to start burning leftover pieces of pallet from when we built the cabin. Picked up these big pallets that were on the ground here. It's kind of straightened up a little bit. He's been working on the siding. Did this side a little yesterday. He worked on the other side a couple weeks ago. It's not finished yet. He's got to do around the stovepipe still. He's been doing the easy part. But hopefully this weekend we'll get to that. So I did a little work inside. The door kept sticking, but he worked on it a little bit. I think we figured out what the problem is. I started painting the bench yesterday. So I'm going to finish that today. Made it to match the walls. So, yeah, after I get that done, all that's left to do inside is finish the top bunks up here of the bunk bed, and that won't take no time at all. So we'll have to find some more memory foam to use up here. But should be able to get some of that on Amazon. But yeah, these top bunk beds. Oh, I forgot. We still got to do something with the inside of this window. Looks like crap. We haven't fixed that yet. But other than that, the inside's done. It's so exciting. So exciting. Table's all junked up right now, but just working still. But so anyway, yeah. I'm gonna start burning some of the pieces of them pallets, and it's a nice day to do it. It's not hot out. It's only like 60 something, so I'm gonna start burning all this stuff here, all these ends, from when we cut up the pallets, so there's that. Start burning that and work on the inside. So all the kitties joined me up here. Okay. All right, got that done. Finally got all them little spots filled in. Painted over, I mean. Where the paint had come off. So, anyway. Got that done. Happy to have gotten this done. I think it looks kind of cute. Matching the walls. So, I'm going to go out here and play with the fire now. We're going to actually get them put up this weekend, but we're going to at least take them up there and do some more cleaning things up there. Alright, here we go. Yep. These roofs off this trailer, and we can use a trailer to move other stuff, like move some of this stuff. And we got a bunch of wood piled up down there by that tree that we want to bring up here to be able to burn in the fire pits and stuff. So we just need to free this trailer up to be able to do that. So okay, we put this one here because well, we're going to put them both here for now, but this one's going to go right here on the back of the cabin. To be a place, to store wood where it'll be out of the weather and You know, we'll be able to store things under there at least. And maybe eventually put some walls around it or something, so. What? It's gonna stick way out? Wow. Well, that's okay, because it'll be sloped. It won't stick out that far after it's been sloped a little bit. Yeah. Okay. He's gonna move this trailer back here. And that one over there too, because right over here is where we're gonna put the outhouse. Right here where this trailer is. Everything's a mess, sorry. Remove this trailer and that trailer just right down the fence there, because we're going to build the outhouse right here. We got that aluminum roof that we're going to use for the outhouse. And anyway, yeah. The only bad thing about building a pallet cabin is that you got a lot of waste. You got a lot of mess to clean up afterwards. All right. Get the air thing, because this has a flat tire. Yeah, that is a very flat tire. Cool. It's been there for a long time. Honeysuckle's blooming. Oh, it smells so beautiful up here in the summertime. Everywhere you walk, you smell honeysuckle. Alright, I got that one moved. I guess he changed his mind where he wanted to put it. This one cleaned off. I don't know what he's going to do with this one now. He'll probably put it over there with that one. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. Weeping Willow's looking beautiful. He's been over there a long time. I think he's having troubles. Maybe it's stuck. I don't know. I think he's crazy for using that mower to pull things around, but he knows what he's doing. He's gonna bring the Tahoe up here to move this big trailer. That's good. I'm glad he ain't gonna try to use a mower to do it. I don't think that mower will pull this big heavy thing. Alright, let's see if we can get it out. Two of the tires are spinning. It's just dragging the other two. Wow. I was afraid he was going to get stuck. It's a little soft up here from all the rain, but that actually went a lot easier than we thought it would. Cool. Making ruts, backing it up. It's on one side though. Well, he pushed it all the way back in there. Tahoe ain't running too good. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's running fine. A minute ago. I won't ever let him get rid of it. I love the Tahoe. It's my baby. Is that where you're leaving it?
What?
Is that where you're leaving it?
Yep.
We're redneck, in case you didn't already figure that out. It is a good thing I turned the camera off. Look what he did as he was pulling away. He got dirt all over me because he's a butthead. I almost kind of wish I had filmed that because it was pretty funny. He's like a teenager sometimes, especially when he's drinking. Alright, trailers are moved. He's gonna hook that trailer back up, and we're gonna go down there and get some of that wood. Tons of wood right there from when there used to be a big tree right there that fell. Limbs are starting to come off of this one. Anyway, we're gonna go load up a bunch of that wood and bring it up here. I hope there's no snakes and spiders in it. It's a lot of work.
Really?
We're only halfway done.
Everything we do is a lot of.
I know. Do you think this is even all going to fit on this trailer?
I'll get it on there. One way or another.
Alright, I'm taking a break for a second.
Huh?
I'm taking a quick break.
Take a break. Take a nap.
I don't want to take a nap. See? Look, spider eggs. If we'd have waited much more into the summer, these things will be loaded with spiders. Right now it's just a bunch of like ants and stuff that I feel so bad for disturbing them. Oh my God, we got it all. That was a lot of wood. I'm tired now, and I didn't even do most of it. He did 4 times more than me. Jeez. I still got this. This was the one with the woodpecker hole. So cool. Yeah, and I'd noticed, I showed you guys this when it fell, but it actually had another woodpecker hole right there too. So it had 2 woodpecker holes. So we got all this still too. This is the tree that blew over, I don't know, a couple years ago. And we started cutting it up, and then the log splitter broke, something happened to it. And then he finally got the log splitter fixed. And now we can come up here and start splitting all this stuff. Use this for firewood too. So, alright. We're getting stuff cleaned up finally. Look at all this wood. And it's not even good wood. It's, what is it, silver maple?
Yep.
Silver maple, so it rots so fast and it doesn't burn it burns really fast, but it's not really good for heating or anything like that. It's good for a fire pit, so. Okay, I think he's gonna, hope his mower will pull this.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. Let's see if we can pull it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll pull it.
I know you will. Oh, you missed a piece of bark. Oh my God.
Bark. They get a rake.
Oh. Alright. Piece of cake. Worried for nothing. I ain't unloading all this crap tonight. There ain't no way. I'm tired. I'm ready to build the bonfire and sit and relax. We might stay up here tonight. I don't know yet. This is going to be a very big fire very soon.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. Ooh, these little bugs are driving me insane. Look what time it is. It's getting big fast. Beautiful. Dang, I can feel the heat all the way over here. I'm pretty far away too. Feels good because I'm starting to get chilly. Whoa, are you really eating those? We got these Doritos. They're fusion with half dill pickle and half ranch. Oh my God, I love them so much. But he don't like either one of those flavors, but he's eating them anyway. They're good, aren't they?
No.
And why are you eating them? Well, you got that clip on your ear for? Oh my God, you're such a dork.
I have some place for it.
Now, a normal person would probably put it on their shirt or something.
Oh.
You're so weird. Oh my God. Ooh, you can feel that heat, can't you? Feels good. Feels good. That sounded like a little firework or something. Oh, it's beautiful. Man, these bugs! Ugh! They're teeny tiny little bugs. It ain't like they're mosquitoes or anything. They're teeny tiny little flying bugs. They've just been attacking me.
Called net.
It's some kind of little gnats or something. Oh, it's like they're going right for my face. Ooh, I might have to back up even more. Got the big fire. And there's a little fire just lit up. Must have been a spark or something. Got it going. The train coming. It's coming to take you away, Anthony.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Good.
Good? Hi, what you doing? What you doing? You must be old. What'd you find to eat? Did you find something to eat? So cute. You're so cute. Sorry it's so blurry. Hi. Possums are awesome. They're Mother Nature's cleanup crew. They do lots of good. And they do not carry rabies. Their body temperature is too low. So don't ever think that possums carry rabies, because they don't. Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. Alright, I'll leave you alone. Bye. Bye-bye. I wish I had a better camera. I need to get a good camera. We got a pretty moon tonight. It's not a full moon, but it's close. Pretty night. Beautiful night. Oh my God, you're way too close to the fire. Oh my God, see? That's what I was talking about. You could have accidentally fallen in there.
Nope.
All right, you're fired. Let me see your beard. It's probably all singed. I can't believe you did that.
No, it ain't.
Please don't do that again. Oh my God, from my angle, you were falling into it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh my God. All right, we're done for the night. There's a nice shot of the moon. Fire down there's still going, but it's pretty much out. So We're gonna say goodnight. Good night. Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Sun's up. Good morning, beautiful weeping willow tree. We had a wonderful night. Slept really good. He's down here stoking this fire because we got a lot more to burn. Looks like a asteroid hit, or a meteor, or whatever you call it. It's pretty cool. That was a nice fire last night. We had a lot of fun. He was a little dangerous around the fire a couple times, scared me, but he knows what he's doing, so. Is it hot right there? It's got to be hot.
No.
No.
It's gonna take off.
I think it will. I hear too much crackling. Birds are singing. Beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is already hot. Look at this tree that was growing here. Can't believe it didn't catch on fire at some point, but all its leaves are burnt. I'm sure it killed it, but I can't believe it didn't actually catch on fire at some point. Oh well. Well, this morning we're gonna work on this wood. Probably bring the log splitter up and start splitting all this. And I don't know, we got all kinds of things we're gonna do today, so I'll let you guys go. I'm sure this one's pretty long. So, alright, thank you so much for watching. See you later.